Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the Standalone Contacts application, like this one. From here we're going to tap on the three dots, and then we're going to select Settings, Import Export, and select Allow and Allow. And here we have the option Copy Contacts From. So here you can select wherever you want. For the purpose of this, I did say from the SIM card, so that's what I'm going to be selecting. My SIM card, it won't be displayed as SIM card, it will be displayed as the carrier that it's from. So for this one, it's a Virgin Mobile. And select Next. It will ask you where you want to import those contacts to. You have again a couple options, though the options right here are limited for you. There is a chance you will have more. So it's showing me phone, internal shared storage, or SD card. I can import them to either one of those. There is usually another option, which would be your Google account. I believe there is no account logged in, or if there is, I guess maybe I just can't import it to the account. And whatever case may be, if you have Google account, that's great. You can import it to that if you want to. And if you don't have it while your device does have actual Google account logged in, then it will just mean that it doesn't support importing contacts to a Google account. Anyway, select where you want to import those contacts to. I'm going to stick with the phone, and then we can select Next. In this case, it's going to display all the contacts that are on the chosen location, which is the SIM card for me. And you can select all of them if you want to. So I believe this is going to be the button. Yep, so it's the one between the check mark and search. You can click on that and it will select all of the contacts. Maybe you want most of them, but not all. You could still utilize that and then deselect contacts that you don't want. And then click on the check mark. This will then automatically import all the selected contacts to your device, or whatever you have chosen to import them to. And in this device, it does show you contacts from your SIM card and from, for instance, the phone at the same time. So you can see we have a SIM card icon with a 1. This is just the tray number for the SIM card. So it is displaying them. If I were to take out the card, those contacts would disappear with that icon, while the ones without it would stay on the phone. And anyway, that is how you'd import your contacts. Now, the benefit of importing your contacts to your device, even though they're being displayed right here in a way twice, would be that contacts that are stored on your phone actually have the ability to have additional information. Like for instance, when you have a contact, you can assign if this is a work contact, home, mobile, stuff like that, along with, for instance, things like date of birth and addresses and additional notes. Well, contacts stored on a SIM card do not have those options. And additionally, contacts stored on the phone do have the option to have contact photos assigned to them, while the ones on the SIM card do not. And the thing that you see right here, these kind of images, those are just letters, as you can probably see. So T, S, I. So they just have a flashy way of showing the first letter of the contact, and that's about it. So there we go. And one more thing to add to this, if you want to have these contacts visible but don't want to maybe have duplicates visible like this with the ones being pulled from your SIM card, you could utilize a Contacts by Google, which I don't think this device comes with because this is the only contacts, but you can download it from Play Store. So Contacts by Google will allow you to choose where the contacts are being displayed from, removing the contacts that are from other locations than the one that you have chosen to display. So that will keep your contact list a little bit cleaner. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.